Ay, siyempre.
Nakalagdag sa yaba ang surprise collab performance ni Sandara Park at Apple Dia. During the concert, PET's Jerry
Red Television.
announced her Filipino roots. Inendoy niya kung paano siya naging miyembro ng grupo.
Si Megan Dia.
Ang concert, sinabi niyang special ang one-night concert dahil magpe-perform siya muli sa harap ng kanyang mga kababayan.
Imagine 20 years old ka galing sa Pilipinas and then you step into like a group, a legendary group like that, right? So it's a lot of pressure.
Ebe
That
ha.
Filipino spirit was in me, like
First,
you know, us Filipinos were
Mama
fighters,
Marcos.
we're resilient,
In
and no matter what, we
television.
would show up and show out.
Kwento ni Jerry na pressure siyang tapatan ang former member ng grupo na si Fergie. Pero,
And
There's of course challenges, of
Iwan
course, there's a
television.
lot of comparisons, but the thing is like I'm here to like, I'm not here to be the next Fergie, I'm here to be Jerry, so
bago maging miyembro ng Black Eyed Peas, nakilala niya sa kanila ang Jessie Balay Moto, Black Friday, at 7 season ng All-Star Kids.
actually like growing up with my therapist, like I feels like a family and
Integrated news set dito sa Live TV. Sila kayo sa ambulansya ng UTV. Ambulance ng UTV. Ambulance.